How to add credit card on Walmart. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a credit card on Walmart. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Walmart application and make sure you are signed in into your account. Once you have signed in, it will land you on the home page of Walmart. Once you are on the home page, head over to Services section and then click on Walmart Pay. Now two different options will be available to you. One is credit or debit card and the other is gift card. As we are looking on how to add a credit or debit card, simply tap on credit or debit card option. Here it will show you all the list of your credit or debit card that you have added in the Walmart. If you want to add more, click on add credit or debit card. Then enter all of the information of your credit or debit card. Also fill up all the information that you will be asked to enter. Then you have to click on Save. Once you do that, your credit or debit card will be added to Walmart. So that is how you can add credit card on Walmart. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.